Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and connecting the display. This saves time later. Install the latest DisplayWidget Center on your PC, grant the app permissions, and restart it once. Open the app, then enable OSD sync on the monitor menu so software and hardware communicate. If you see a firmware prompt, apply it now. Doing so ensures feature parity. Once done, the app should detect your monitor automatically. If it doesn't, check cable and USB hub connections before moving on. Now you configure profiles for real work. Create a new profile, pick a base preset, then tweak brightness, color temperature, and gamma to match your workflow. Assign names like photo, gaming, or meeting, and map those profiles to specific inputs or apps so they switch automatically. Use hotkeys for instant swapping, make them easy to remember. Also import or export profiles to keep backups. By the time you finish, switching modes should be one keystroke, fast and predictable for every task. Finish by fine-tuning and confirming everything operates smoothly. Calibrate with a colorimeter for accuracy, or use the app sliders for practical balance between brightness and color. Make incremental adjustments, then save a final profile. If a feature is missing, restart the app, update drivers, or reinstall DisplayWidget Center. That often resolves permission or detection issues. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if the monitor is not detected, swap the USB-B or display port cable and verify the monitor's USB upstream is enabled. This fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.